And we out here. Y'all see the RT, y'all see it. Ooh, you'll hear it. Ooh, good morning. Oof. Yo, what's up, guys? Just got done with my Chick-fil-A real quick. And I know I need a haircut, but you know, I'll get it later this week. You know, it's not too bad. It's whatever. Basically, you know, I'm out here, you know, just thinking about this industry. You know, how I really believe that you should stay away from Instagram for a bit, you know, and focus on your trading. Go 100% at it. You know why? Because every time you log in, what's the first thing you do? You compare yourself. You know, you see people, oh, I made $1,200 for the day, you know, trading New York session. I don't trade sessions. I trade a certain way. Honestly, last month on August, I had my worst month, and honestly, I feel like what affected me the most was the fact that I kept seeing people post their profits, and listen, like, I'm a profitable trader, like, I'm good, you know, but that month I blew an account of $400,000, you know. And the reason I did that is because I took a step back and I realized that every time I got on social media, you know, people just kept posting their profits, and I feel like I was missing out because it looks like they're making profits every day, you know. And I myself, I trade a certain way where I probably take one trade, maybe two trades in 1 week, you know. And obviously, it made me feel some type of way knowing that I see people posting their profits, and like during one session they made like 5 figures, you know. So I just believe that just stick to your own strategy, you know. Stop looking at other people's strategy, because you're not them, you know. You're yourself, and the more you focus on your strategy, like, you feel more relaxed. You feel better. Like right now, I haven't been on Instagram, and I honestly feel real good, and I feel peace, you know. I feel peace. Just staying away from social media feels good, you know. I'll be on Twitter, you know, but like on Twitter you don't only see people's story, like it just be words and shit. And well, on Twitter I just be posting what I be feeling, you know, what's going on with the day, or just questions or something, you know. But I'll be going home right now, and I'll be looking at the charts to see what I see, if I see any setups, any opportunities that I may take later today. But right now there's no volume, so I'm out here getting Chick-fil-A. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys over there, okay? Let's start with our little trading analysis for the rest of the week. Right now I'm gonna break down Euro USD to see how I see it for the rest of the week. And yeah, let's see how it plays out. If you guys have seen some of my videos, the way I start is basically by going to the monthly. These are my main time frames. My main time frames right here. The ones you guys see right here. Okay, so I just start asking myself, how's the market moving? Is it bearish, bullish? Well, how's it moving right now? Right now we're trading at this price right here. So first thing I'll do is just grab my nearest psychological levels. 1.1. I always like fixing my numbers to flat psychologicals. 0.08. And my third one, 1.06. Okay. So that's my playing ground for the rest of the month. Okay. As you guys can see, we're like in some kind of let's see, let me zoom out a little more. Okay, we're in a bearish market. Okay. In the monthly, we've been just going low. So what I see right now is the last month we rejected a 1.1, okay, which was also a support zone in the past, and it has reacted in the past several times. Okay, So that gives me a good sign to sell. So right now my mind is sell. Okay. So let's, okay, how's the monthly looking? Sells. That's what I see right now. Okay. So that's the first. Second, I zoom into the weekly. I start asking myself, how's the weekly looking? Is it near a level? So far, you guys can see for the past couple of weeks, we've been in a downtrend. Okay, so I'm gonna write that weekly downtrend. Okay, so I got two confirmations why I want to sell. Okay, we're trading at this price. Let's see, I'm gonna draw another line right here on this support. Price has reacted several times from that level. Okay. Okay. So based on this support zone, if we break that below 1.07, I'm looking to sell it to 1.06, you know? And if it breaks 106, then 105. Okay. So right now, my mindset is in a sales mode, okay? But the only thing that's making me that I don't see sells yet is the fact that in the daily, we broke this previous high. You guys see? We had a zone right here. Price reacts, like you guys can clearly see it. Right? Price reacted several times, like 3 times right here in this specific zone. So now price is above it now. So it broke this zone right here. Let's see. Okay. And as you guys can see, we're also rejecting of a psychological level 1.07. So that's telling me that we're not ready to keep pushing down. We're gonna need some kind of retracement to like 1.08 to which is basically this support zone. Okay. So price comes to over here. I'm actually looking to sell around this level right now. No selling. Okay. So lately it's bucks. Okay. So even though I have my bias of selling for the rest of the month or whatever, right now we're not like today. I'm not looking for sales today. I'm looking to buy, you know. So I'm gonna zoom into the 4-hour. Yep. As you guys can see, price came all the way over here, came to 107, reacted, and now we broke these highs right here. Now we're breaking these highs, now we're breaking these highs. So honestly, we're in a short-term kind of bullish trend now. So I'd be looking to buy to 108. Okay. So for me to get in to buy, I will need a retracement to somewhere around here, right? And then buy. Okay. So 4-hour. Okay. So now I got my idea how I'm gonna trade this pair for the rest of the week. But yeah, let's see. Okay, GU, remember, GU, Euro USD, and AUD USD, since those are USD pairs, they move kind of together. You know, they correlate in a positive way. You guys can see that GU had the same effect, came down to a psychological level. Okay, reacted, not exactly, wait, hold on. Yeah, it was still psychological level 124.50. It reacted so nicely to it. Okay. So right now what I'll be waiting for is a touch to the 125 and then bounce. Okay. Probably to 126 or 125.50. As you can see, this plus our previous zone, which is also psychological level. So that'd be like a nice take profit like that I would like to get. You guys can see that in the daily time frame we're also selling. But we're having some kind of reaction on this past support zone right here, which reacted several times. 1, 2, reacted right here. Okay, so now we're having some kind of reaction for like a pullback to 126 and then keep going low, because as you guys can see in the monthly, we're doing sales, you know. So if you're looking for sales, make sure all the time frames align. That's my overall bias, but not right now. So right now it's like short-term bias, maybe for the rest of the week, you know. But these are the only pairs I'll be looking for this week. And you know, let's cash on profits. And you know, send me you guys as trades if you guys take any based on this idea, and you know, hope it helps. And I'll start, you know, trying to stay active on YouTube, and you know, hope you guys make some profits this week, you know. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. As you guys can see in the video that I'm editing right now, we predicted that GU was actually gonna go to 126. Sadly, it did a little different. It came to 125.50 nicely, rejected to the pip, came down below 125 psychological, right there, you see it, came under, okay, came to 124.50, came back to 25 and dropped. Okay, so you could consider this, a break of 125 and retest and drop, continuation. Remember, our overall bias was sales, you know, so I took a $3,000 loss, but it's whatever, you know, like I see what I did wrong. I bought somewhere right here when it was breaking the 125. Okay, I think it was this candle right here, because it came back. I'm like, oh, okay, I see a retest, but nah, you know, I should drop, stalled me out on this candle, and I learned my lesson, you know. Nothing too bad, you know. Next time I'll catch a better one. But honestly, if I would have taken a nice sell from like this level, perfect. Your stop loss super tight, 15 pips, like a 105, you get me? So I don't know, just something to keep in mind now, like how nice psychological levels move and back tested. And yeah, guys.